And welcome. On the operating table we have a DCF885 DeWalt impact driver. Not that you would know because the label is long gone. This is years and years and years old. I think I can just make out 2017 there, so that's about 8 years old, that device. This is going perfectly well. However, it does have the age-old common problem that these DeWalt impact drivers do have. There's a little spring in here that breaks, and if you put in the bit holder, it doesn't stay in. And that is extremely annoying if you're using it. My goal is to show you how to replace this spring into that chuck. I've done this video a couple of times before on different models of these. The first one I done was around 7 years ago. I think it's time for an update on that particular one. It was one of these. And the other thing is, hopefully if the other videos don't reach you to repair this, hopefully this one will. So here we go. I'm going to show you how to dismantle this chuck. There's a little let's see, I can get this up close for you. Close and personal, as close as we can. This little catch ring, you use a hook, wee hook or pick or a screwdriver to get underneath it and release that. Then after that you'll have a washer, and then you have a spring. That's not the spring that we're going to replace today. That spring's okay. And underneath we have the spring in question. Take that colour off. And the ball. You can see the ball there. So that's the broken spring. If you can compare it to the new one, you can see what bit's broken off. This bit has broken off and holds that ball in place, so it catches on this part of the bit holder to hold your bit holder in. So we'll discard that broken spring now, and I want to do something I always do in these cases now. In order to not lose the ball, a little bit of grease on there. It acts like a sort of a glue to keep it in place to get the spring fitted. This is not the hardest thing to do. I'm just making it hard, making it look hard. But you just push that down, that spring. The ball still fell out. Anyway, I'm going to put it in there again with a little bit of grease, which didn't work to stick it in place the last time. You know, a bit on there, which always helps. We can reassemble this chuck now. So here we go. Goes on this way. If you can see that clearly. And the spring goes on the other spring. And we're trying to get this washer on, followed by this ring. Now this ring is the thing that can be, it can go on easy, or you can spend 10 minutes or an uncountable amount of time, depending how it goes. But I was lucky that time, it just went straight on. And you can damage your fingers, so be careful. That's the chuck fully assembled now. And then we'll just give her a quick test. It's perfect. That's all there is to it. So if you like this video, please give it a thumbs up and check out my channel for all my other videos.